I'm Dr. Leanne Brady, and as I think about anterior aesthetic dentistry today, it has gotten so complex as far as the materials we can use for all ceramics, the bonding systems, how we go about shade selection, and yet that's a gift because we can give our patients incredible aesthetic results that we didn't have the option to provide years ago. In our 2-day lecture program here at the Pankey Institute in Key Biscayne, Florida, called Aesthetic Techniques and Materials, we're going to cover everything you need to carry out exquisite anterior aesthetic dentistry. We're going to start with treatment planning. We're going to go through all of our modern materials so that you have a better way to choose which material will give you the aesthetic outcomes you're hoping for. And we're then going to cover prep design and bonding and cementation and delivery. So from the beginning to the end of your anterior aesthetic dentistry, you'll have all the tips, techniques, and information you need to provide your patients with optimal results. So plan on coming and spending 2 days with us for this incredible lecture program.